Hello everyone and welcome to a video about a quick introduction to Salesforce. Salesforce was an early cloud software as a service provider. So instead of people downloading and installing software, they ran it in their cloud and you could just go to the website and sign up. That's what I've done here. This is, I've signed up for a Salesforce small business free account. And Salesforce as a company has many products. But their core product is CRM, Customer Relationship Management, and I'm going to go through just this basic home screen when you first sign up and talk about some concepts. So there's some cards here to prompt you to get started, but really the core concepts we want to talk about are leads, opportunities, and contacts. So in a CRM app, you basically, an organization is trying to organize how they outreach to possible customers or possible partners or possible people who want to donate, for example, if you're a nonprofit. So it's kind of a generic version of customers. It doesn't, have to be a business customer as far as a paying customer. But it's how you connect. So I'm going to talk a little bit about reaching out to organizations as part of a music festival as an example. So you'll see that in this video or future videos. So leads, we start with leads. That's the beginning of the funnel or the pipeline, the beginning of starting to try to reach out and establish relationships. So leads are just that. If I want to run a music festival and I want to run it in a certain area, let's say New England or Germany or Iceland, I would identify locations, venues. I would identify maybe some sponsorship partners, hotels or transportation companies, and just thinking about who I might need to partner with to make my to achieve my goals. So you'd put those in as leads, and in a future video we'll create some. And then as you qualify these leads, so if they're customers, as you figure out how big they are, how strong their need is for your product, which of your products they might like. And then you go do some demonstrations about your product. You show them some pricing and you get feedback. Then these leads turn into opportunities. So as you qualify them, you say, hey, this is a good lead. We think this person actually might buy, or this organization might buy what we have, or they might partner with us. So again, back to our music festival, they might want to sponsor us as a hotel, or this could be a good venue for us to be at. We've talked to them. We've told them what we're thinking about, how many acts that we want to have, how many people maybe stay at a hotel, what marketing we can do for them. That would be our offer. And you define the offer, and you can also store that in here. So the leads turn into opportunities. And you move them, as you see, it says view your deals to keep them moving. You move them through this pipeline from a discussion to a demo to a contract offer, and then maybe to an approval, and then through that to even potentially, once you've sold it to them, deployment, or in our music festival, the logistics and arranging and approving the different details there. So we go from leads to the left to opportunities to the right, and you can convert these leads to opportunities. And then, of course, with these leads and with these opportunities, you have contacts. So you want to keep your email addresses, your phone numbers, maybe all the emails you've sent to them, the material you've sent, maybe some brochures or some contract offers. So you want to establish all your contacts and link them together. And then it gets a little bit more details here around these records, as far as if you have a case, maybe a support case that you can put in here based on when you've already sold your product. So those are the high level concepts. We're going to have some future videos around setting up some leads and opportunities, so we can look at them, how that happens, and then also we're going to access Salesforce's data 360. So how you can programmatically access the data that you put in. So that's a quick overview of Salesforce. I hope you've enjoyed it.